you're one of those people that are fearful of, hey, the rapid scale of change because of COVID could cause me to potentially lose my livelihood and job, find those opportunities for you to learn and then apply those skills and challenges. And as Steve said, test it. What's the worst that can happen? Win $100,000 like the UC Berkeley kid? You know, like this is a great time that kind of levels the playing field a bit. And that to me is what is so exciting about this.
Oh, absolutely. In fact, we talk about this as the democratization of work, right? And we call it the passion economy because people are kind of freed from, people I know that are passionate about what they do will go work for a company and they find the Dilbert cartoon there, right? Where they only get to do their passion this tiny bit of time. And even then it gets stripped away from them in this kind of unceremonious way because of the way companies work. And I just like, it's fascinating to watch people live into their passion and doing that.